Alright friends, welcome again to Boss That Kitchen. Today, in today's episode, we are featuring a special dish from Ghana, West Africa. And this Asian type spaghetti stir fry, especially from Africa. And with that said, these are the recipes or the ingredients that goes with it. So these are the ingredients that we use for this special dish. We have spaghetti noodles right here. We have green onions cut in about 1.5 inch slices. We have julienne carrots, julienne peppers, different type of peppers. We have also sliced onions. We have special roasted chicken that we did earlier. Here we have garlic and pepper seasoning. We have Himalayan salt, black pepper. This is chicken bouillon. We have a combination of chopped garlic and ginger. In this bowl we have green seasoning. It's a special seasoning that we make. We have the video recipe for that too. It's real good. It enhances your flavor. And over here we have some olive oil and soy sauce. Alright, here we have our water on the stove. We'll bring it to a boil and then we'll come back and show you from here. Alright, now welcome back friends. Let's see. The water is boiling, and so we're going to put about a teaspoon of salt, about a teaspoon of the garlic and pepper seasoning for flavor. Most people don't flavor their pasta, but that's a secret. If you want your pasta to come out real flavorful and nice, this is the trick. We use about a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and then a teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, so now that we've done that, we'll put a little bit of olive oil. Then after we do all that, this is where the magic comes in. We put in the pasta. We drop in the pasta. Alright, we stir the pasta a little bit to keep it from sticking. Just try to separate it a little bit, twist it around. Alright, so we'll let it go, boil, and we'll come back when the pasta is ready. We're cooking according to the package instructions, directions. Alrighty, so now the pasta is ready, it's cooked through. We're gonna drain it. Alright fellas, thanks for coming back. Now we're gonna put everything together and finish the dish. We'll turn on the stove, turn it to medium high, and bring it to heat. So we're gonna wait a little bit, let it warm up. Always before you start stir frying, make sure that your wok is high. It's hot. You bring it to heat. You put in about 1.5 tablespoons of the olive oil and swirl the oil around. Swirl around the wok. Now we have to cook the harder vegetables first. The carrot is the harder vegetable, so we'll cook that first. Let it go a little bit on the stove. Put in the onion next. Yeah, as you can see, I have quite a bit onions in here because my wife and I would love onions, so that's why we have a little bit more than usual. But you can do it any way you want. You can cut back if you don't like that much onion. You can cut back on it, but we love onions. So the next thing that goes in is our peppers. Cook it too much. We don't want to cook it too much because we want it to be crispy. You don't want to make it mushy. So the next thing, we put in some of the ginger, chopped ginger, and some chopped garlic. Alright, so now we are stirring. After we put the garlic and the ginger, we're stirring. That's going to make it very, very flavorful. It smells so great in here right now. The flavor. So now that we've had this in there, we're going to put the chicken. Alright. So now the chicken is in there. So we're maintaining a crispy vegetable, not mushy. We put a green seasoning, and this is the secret ingredient right here. And it gives it a kick. Take it to another level, another notch. That green seasoning is the secret ingredient. So don't miss on it. Make sure you check the video. Make it and add it to your dish. So the next thing, we're going to flavor it with the chicken bouillon, about 2 tablespoons. Also remembering that your pasta is already flavored, so you don't want to put any more salt. We're not going to put any more salt, but that's up to you. If you taste it and you need salt, you can put salt. It should be good. And also we'll put some soy sauce. Soy sauce also has some salt. So there we go with the soy sauce. We'll put about 2 tablespoons. That should be good enough for flavor and color. The flavor is it. Okay, so now, before we put in the spaghetti, we're going to put in some of the green onions, the scallion. Should be enough. We stir it around, then comes the pasta. Make sure you separate it. Change to tongs so that we can mix it uniformly. Have to make sure it's uniformly mixed. Alright, one thing that we left out with our ingredients is to finish it with sesame oil. So we're going to put in about a teaspoon. Alright, it's ready now. So we turn off the fire and then it's time to plate. What we have done, I know it's going to be delicious. It smells so good. It smells real good. Wow. Alright, welcome back again to Bullseye Kitchen. Everything is done, so we're gonna give it a taste and see what we've done. It looks good. It smells wonderful. It smells so good. Man. Wow. Alrighty. Let's give it a taste. It looks so good. I tell you, you have Chinese, chow mein, all those noodles, never had anything like this. This is really good. It's wonderful. So go give it a try and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like and share, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my coming videos. This is good. Let me try more. This is so good. Bon appetit.